Oh, he's just gonna walk away like that?
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy getlikejlan.
That's it?
Yeah.
Jay, you need to be over here so dogs can get some of this content action. You can get your ass out here helping me and shit.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so it needs to go, top needs to go up over this one. Bottom one needs to go deep down in there. Alright, and look, alright, so this one right here goes straight down all the way, it comes back over, goes over the crankshaft. See it right there, that crankshaft right there? Goes right there over. So you come up over these two. The top one right here goes over this one. This bottom one goes down, straight down like that, goes under the crankshaft, goes all the way around the crankshaft. Alright, and then that comes all the way up, comes off the bottom of the crankshaft, goes back here and rides down to that one, and then it just flips over just like that.
So he's having trouble somewhere here. I'm not really sure where.
No light action, I can't see him.
No, he ain't got no light action. Let's go ahead and get up here real quick with him.
Hey, now take it on a test drive.
Take it on a test drive?
You don't want that little belt to just sling out. What else y'all finna change?
Evap, yep. Gas tank. Evap again, gas tank.
He's over here looking at his
O2 sensor. So I'm
You trying to turn off that check engine light?
No, look. All right. So besides the O2 sensor, I'm gonna go check that real quick, see if it's unplugged. But other than that, everything is the gas tank. See, everything.
What's wrong with your gas tank?
What the fuck did you call it? What the fuck is it called? The damn lid.
Oh, the cap.
Yeah, the cap. The gas cap. Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting all this FaceTime action.
You see that?
Yes, sir. Some of that good heavy content right there.
They're over here talking about a whole lot of nothing over there. Like I ain't rebuilt my own truck and shit.
They tell you the basics, but they won't tell you everything.
Hey Jay, you know how I rebuilt the Ram and whatnot? You know.